Hey everybody, let's make it real. So I'm on the cookcountyclerk.com/agency/elections site. And if you live in Cook County, non-Chicago, not Chicago, this is your website to find out information about how to vote by mail, other ins and outs about our electoral process in Cook County, and how to register to vote. If you click on registering to vote, it shows you that you can register by October 18th online. We were already at past the paper and in-person registration, but you can do it online. You can also register in your own home precinct on election day itself. So there are still options or many opportunities for you to participate in this year's election by registering to vote. Also, there's information about how to vote by mail. It gives you information about how to get your ballot. And I've received my ballot through this process, through applying online. And if when you do get your ballot, it is kind of, pushed in the direction of, or highly recommended to fill out your ballot and mail it back right away so that you know that it will be counted by election day. So the deadline to apply for a ballot is 5 days before an election. Now this is for Cook County only. If you are in another county, you have to go to their registration or their website, but also this is for Cook County non-Chicago. So if you live in Chicago, you have to go to their Board of Elections website to find information. Once again, this is cookcountyclerk.com/agency/elections.